Want to go viral on YouTube in 2025, even with 0 subscribers? The new algorithm just changed everything. I'll show you 5 proven techniques small creators are using to explode overnight, and reveal the #1 viral trigger YouTube doesn't want you to know. Most people fail because they're playing by the old rules. The winners? They know the algorithm has changed. It's not about fancy cameras or subscribers anymore. It's about understanding what the algorithm and viewers crave. In this video, I'll break down the 5 most powerful secrets to take your channel from 0 to viral hero. We'll cover the perfect hook, a title and thumbnail trick, how to use shorts for instant growth, and a binge strategy that gets YouTube addicted to your channel. Stick around for the secret cheat code at the end. Let's get started. First, let's decode the 2025 YouTube algorithm. Forget what you knew. The algorithm is now a hyper-personalized recommendation engine, obsessed with matching videos to each viewer's unique interests. It tracks everything: what you watch, when, and for how long. If your video fits a viewer's profile, the algorithm will serve it up, even if you have 0 subscribers. The first 30 seconds are critical. Fail to hook viewers, and your video gets buried. 4 key factors decide your fate: viewer history, watch duration, engagement, likes, comments, shares, and click-through rate, CTR. Make content that fits a specific interest, keeps people watching, sparks engagement, and gets clicks. High retention and engagement. The algorithm pushes you to more viewers. Your job engineer videos that nail all 4 factors. The algorithm isn't your enemy, it's your most powerful tool if you know how to use it. Top creators design videos for the algorithm, not against it. In the next scene, I'll show you how to master the most important piece, the hook. Get this right, and you'll have the algorithm's attention from frame 1. Let's dive in. The first 30 seconds make or break your video. Here's the hook formula: curiosity plus stakes plus promise. Start with curiosity. Open with a question or statement that makes viewers need to know more. Example: this $5,000 laptop might be worse than a $500 one. Add stakes. Why should they care? I spent my life savings on this. If it fails, my channel is over. Make a promise. Tell them what they'll get. By the end, I'll reveal the only laptop worth buying. Combine all 3 for a hook that's irresistible. Supercharge your hook with fast-paced visuals and bold captions. Show the most exciting moments right away. Use big animated text so your message lands even with the sound off. Edit ruthlessly. No dead air, no filler. Think of your hook like a movie trailer. All the best bits right up front. Recap: curiosity, stakes, promise, plus dynamic visuals and tight editing. Nail this, and you'll skyrocket retention and make the algorithm take notice. This is the foundation of every viral video. Ready for the next step? Let's talk titles and thumbnails. Your title and thumbnail are your video's bait. If they don't grab attention, no one clicks, no matter how good your video is. Thumbnails. Make them bright, bold, and focused. Use a human face with a strong emotion, a clear subject, and a hint of story. Example: shocked face, massive Lego castle, arrow pointing to a $10,000 piece, instantly intriguing. Use high contrast colors and big readable text. If your grandma would click it, you're on the right track. Titles. Pair with your thumbnail, but don't repeat it. The thumbnail shows the what, the title gives the why. Formula: intriguing premise plus extreme element. I tried to survive 7 days in Tokyo with only $1. The thumbnail is the emotional hook. The title is the logical hook. Checklist: thumbnail, bright, emotional, minimal text, tells a story. Title poses a challenge, has an extreme element, complements the thumbnail, under 70 characters. Spend as much time on your title and thumbnail as your video edit. Brainstorm dozens of options, they're that important. Master this and you'll guarantee clicks. Even the best video fails if no one clicks. Get this right and you're halfway to viral. Next, how to use shorts for explosive growth. YouTube Shorts are the fastest way to get new eyeballs in 2025, but only if you use them strategically. Don't just chop up old videos. Post at least 3 shorts a day, each with a viral hook in the first 3 seconds. Use trending sounds and dynamic visuals, fast cuts, zooms, and on-screen text. Make content that delivers quick value or entertainment hacks, wild moments, satisfying visuals. The goal isn't just views, it's to funnel viewers to your long-form videos. Always pin a comment linking to your best long-form content. If you like this, you'll love my full video on topic. Think of shorts as mini billboards for your main channel. Some shorts will flop, some will explode. Consistency is key. Don't repurpose lazily, create shorts with a purpose. Hook fast, use trends, keep it moving, and always link back to your main content. Shorts are your channel's growth engine. Use them to build a real audience. Now let's turn those new viewers into binge watchers. Want to turn 1 view into 5? Master session time. The total time viewers spend on YouTube after clicking your video. If viewers binge your content, The algorithm rewards you big time. Create video series, not random one-offs. Think Netflix a 5-part saga, not a single episode. End each video with a cliffhanger or direct call to watch the next episode. Next, we start construction. Click here to see the disaster on day 1. Organize series into playlists with compelling names. The full Treehouse Saga. Playlists auto-cue your videos, boosting session time and making your channel bingeable. Reference your other videos throughout. I use this trick in my bunker build. Watch it here. Use end cards to visually promote the next video. Make your channel look like a library of epic stories, not a random collection. The more videos in a series, the longer people stay, and the more the algorithm loves you. Professionals think in series and session time, not just single videos. Plan your content to guide viewers from one video to the next. Stop chasing single views. Start building binge sessions. That's how you build a YouTube empire. There you have it. The 5 secrets to mastering YouTube's 2025 algorithm and going viral. We covered the new algorithm, the perfect hook, viral titles and thumbnails, shorts for growth, and the binge strategy. This is a repeatable system, not luck. Pick one strategy and use it on your next video. Action beats knowledge every time. The path from 0 to millions starts with your first step.